Now that you've created your first classroom, it's time to have a look at the user interface, in particular from the teacher side. So let's go ahead and click on the class to enter it. And now let's look at the user interface from the teacher's perspective. So as Google Classroom showed us when we entered, and you may get a slightly different tour each time, it seems to highlight different parts each time that you enter Google Classroom for the first time. One thing that it didn't point out in this one, which it did in previous ones, is that there is a thing called a class code. If I jump over to my Fergus student and I enter Google Classroom, remember this is not the teacher side, this is the student side. I have the option to join a class. And if I click join a class, I can enter a code which my teacher can send me, which you find on the home screen when you enter as a teacher. So looking at the user interface here from the teacher's perspective, we have a stream. This is where we're going to do most of the interacting with the students. This is where everything comes through and all of your announcements. Classwork, this is where you're going to divide materials into topics. People, this is where you're going to add both teachers and students. And grades, once you start issuing assignments and you give those assignments grades, then this will start to appear here in grades. Thank you for watching this video e-learning course. If you find it helpful, please do like, share, and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.